Hey, I'm glad you're back for part 2 of this little runabout boat with a 3.7 liter Mercruiser rebuild. Now this video is a short video about the restoration of the flooring and the carpet. Enjoy. And here we are with the floor in. To save money, I chose to go with Bondo in the cracks. Where it didn't fit perfectly, wasn't near perfect, but Bondo at $30 a gallon is real cost efficient compared to the resin, which is $118 a gallon. It came out really good. That Bondo, you know, it comes out as hard as concrete. Now that's set up, and today I am going to use the cloth and fiberglass that in on the sides and again on the cracks. Get that storage compartment good and glassed in with the fabric. I want that to be really sturdy. Once that hardens, then we will put the glue down and add the carpet. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. That very same day, late in the evening, we thought we would take it to the lake real quick just to see if it floats. First time out on the water, a guy on another boat flagged us down, offered to buy it, had cash right there on the spot. We got it to the dock and he gave me some cash for it. See you soon.